Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can turn on TPM 2.0 for Call of Duty Black Ops 7, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to turn on TPM 2.0 on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to click onto here, you're going to click onto start while holding the left shift key on your keyboard, or if you can't do that, then what you can do is you can open up the start menu, you're going to write here Windows Update. You're going to go into advanced options, you're going to go into recovery, click restart now right next to advanced startup. And once you do that, you'll go into troubleshoot here, advanced options then. And then you're going to go into UEFI firmware settings. And then you're going to click onto restart here and you'll restart into your BIOS. You're going to go into your BIOS settings then. And then you're going to go into MISC here. And after that, you'll have either Intel Platform Trust Technology or you'll have AMD Trusted Platform Module. You're going to enable those settings. And after that, you're going to press F10 on your keyboard or you're going to go into save and exit and then exit the BIOS menu while saving. And once you do that, now when you come here and you write here MS Info on your start menu, you'll see that your secure boot state will be turned on. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.